Installation and packing operation of Jinsp RS2000 series online Raman analyzer. Installation. Step 1. Unboxing. Open 7 box buckles. Take out the items from the equipment box one by one. Online Raman analyzer main device, laptop. Laptop power adapter and cable. Main device power adapter and cable. Laptop USB cable. Sample chamber. Solid cap. Liquid cap. Emergency switch. Remove the baffle. Take out the fiber optic Raman probe. Step 2. Connect the power supply and USB cable. Connect the power supply of the main device and the laptop. Connect the main device to the laptop by a USB cable. Step 3. Connect the Raman probe. Remove the DOS cap from the SMA905 interface of the device. Remove the DOS cap from the SMA905 interface of the Raman probe. Align the protruding end of probe interface with the groove at the device interface. Insert the probe interface and tighten it. Remove the DOS cap from the FC interface of the device. Remove the DOS cap from the FC interface of the Raman probe. Connect the FC end of the probe to the FC interface of the device and tighten it. Step 4. Connect the emergency switch. Insert the laser emergency switch into the device interlock socket. Tips: if there is no interlock socket on the back end of the device, there is no need to insert an emergency switch. RS2000 online Raman analyzer is ready to use now. Packing. Step 1. Disassemble the Raman probe. Unscrew the probe and remove it from the device. Put on the dust caps on the probe. Put on the dust caps on the main device. Unplug the USB cable between the laptop and the main device. Unplug the main device power and the laptop power. Step 2. Disassemble other accessories. Unplug the laser emergency switch from the interlock socket. Place the Raman probe in the groove inside the equipment box. Tips: when placing the Raman probe, the optical fiber cannot be bent and should be placed in a circle at the corresponding groove. Place the laptop, main device, solid, liquid cap, sample chamber, and all the cables in the corresponding positions inside the equipment box. Step 3. Close the equipment box. Close the lid of the box, tighten the 7 box buckles. The packing process is done. Thanks for watching.